Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery draining too fast on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, open the settings of your phone and find the battery and charging. Open Battery Saver, use Battery Saver and Standard Battery Saver. Also enable the Adaptive Battery. Then go into the battery diagnostics, and if you have any issues with the battery, right here, hit on the according option. Then find the display, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, disable enhanced HDR brightness, disable always on display and enable dark theme, lower the screen timeout to around a minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example, a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.